Mahek Munta man.
Mahek Munta.
Well, Senator, thanks. I'm Vishal Bhutekar, second year medical student of Dow Medical School Foundation, and I'm here for taking your OB-GYN examination, OB examination. And then in this examination, there are few steps like inspection, palpation, checking the height, and then the maneuvers are there, Leopold maneuvers, to check the pores and all. And then we have the fetal auscultation. And for this examination, I told these steps, and I need to ask few questions to you. So is it okay if I ask the questions?
Yes.
Okay. Unsay mong pangalan mo?
Ako si Unikali Palkar.
Okay. Ilay mong edad?
35 years old.
Unsay mong religion?
Hindu.
Unsay mong trabaho?
Housewife.
Unsay mong religion? Hindu, you say, okay. And are you married?
Yeah.
Okay. So the importance of this examination is like I will get the age of gestation and any abnormalities related to the pregnancies and all. So for this examination I told the importance and all. So can you tell me the first day of last menstrual period?
30 September 2020.
30 September 2024. So I will just check for the age of gestation, and it will be around 33 weeks of gestation. So okay, do you had any previous pregnancies or anything? No. Okay, that means this is the first time delivery, and there are no abortuses or any preterm or anything before that. So are you ready for this examination?
Yeah.
Okay. For this examination, we need one female companion with us. So as we can see, there is one female companion with us. And so just before the examination, did you just urinated?
Yes.
Okay, that's important for this examination. So is it okay if we start with this examination now?
Yes.
Okay. So first we will start with the inspection. For the inspection, you have to lie down, and then I will unwrap the areas and all, draping and this. So just give support. Okay. Okay. And one more thing, important thing is this examination will be not that much painful. In case if you feel pain or anything, just let me know so that I can able to stop that reaction. So you have to just place the feet. Okay. And now I will just drape the area up to the symphysis pubis and up to the sternal area. Okay. Now I have just exposed the area where I am going to do the examination. Okay. So I will just go with the inspection. For the inspection, first I will do the inspection. In this inspection, I will check for the skin changes, that is linea nigra, which can be the most common first change in the pregnancy. Then I can able to see the stria gravidarum, blackening or brown black color discolorations, and then I can able to see the shape. It's normal and it's void, and size is normal, and contour is also normal, and that's all about the inspection. So now I will go with the palpation. For the palpation, I will palpate for the fetal movements. Okay. Then organs and masses over here the area. Okay, I can able to feel the fetal movements. Okay. Okay. So now I'll palpate with my palmar hand to check the what is the maximum length of your uterus. Okay. So I will just start palpating. Okay. It's just it's more than above the umbilicus. That means it will be near the 33 weeks of gestation, which correlates with our last menstrual period. That is normal age of gestation. So the next step will be the I did the palpation and all. The next step will be the fundic height measurement. For this measurement, I will be going to keep the 0 over your symphysis pubis, and then other end will be checking the fundic height. Okay. So I'll be going to measure. So it's almost 33, which means it's in normal range and it correlates with the age of gestation. Okay. So we are done with the fundic height measurement also. So we have now Leopold maneuvers, in which there are 4 states. In the first state, I will be going to palpate from the both sides, so I can able to feel the fetus sides and all extremities. Okay. First maneuver will be like this, where I will keep my fingers near or each other, and this first maneuver is important for checking the pole of the fetus. I can't able to feel the round surface or anything, so it's buttocks side. And then second maneuver will be palpating towards the lateral side of the both lateral sides, where I will palpate towards the lateral sides. Okay, I can able to feel the back side over your right side. That means it's the back side of the belly, and here like extremities and all are there. So and for this maneuver, for the first and second maneuver, I will be facing towards your face, and my hands are also towards your face. And third maneuver will be where I will keep my palmar surface of my hand over your groin area, means lower side. And I will check for that what kind of area is there, like whether it's round or whether it's in pelvic is fetus head is engaged in the pelvis or not. Okay, so I will check. I will palpate for the third maneuver. Okay, I can't able to feel it's outside. It's already inside the pelvis, and it's correlated to our pregnancy. So the fourth maneuver will be checking for the fourth Leopold maneuver, where I will be going to face towards the legs, and I will be going to palpate for the I will palpate towards the downward side and then towards medially to the cephalic pole, so I can able to feel the fetal side, like this is the back side, and then we are going towards the head. So that's all about the Leopold maneuvers. So now we have the last step where we will check the fetus auscultation. We will auscultate for the fetus. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I just told you, like, this is the back side of the patient and this is the front. So I have to check, or this is the head side. So I'll just palpate towards that area where I can able to feel the pulse. Okay, it's almost 120, and the normal range is already normal range. The range is 110 to 160, so it's perfectly fine. So we are done with this examination. You can sit down now and you can cover your areas. Okay. So I'll just summarize the details. You are Mithila Palkar, who came for the examination. You are 35-year-old, and you are pregnant for the first time, and you gave the details about the last menstrual period, and the age of gestation is around 23 weeks, and I can able to feel the proper fetal movements, and I can able to see the markings like linea nigra and all, which suggest the pregnancy and all, and there are no abnormalities in the maneuvers also, which tells us like which side of the fetus head is facing and which side the buttocks are facing, and then we can able to feel, take the auscultation of the fetus sound also. So that's all about the examination. Do you want to add anything?
No.
Okay. That's all about the examination. Thank you then.
Thank you.
Thank you.